You know, for years, we've been adding smart devices to our homes, one gadget at a time. But what if we've been thinking about it all wrong? What if the future of the smart home isn't about what you add to your house, but what if your house itself was the smart device? That's the incredible idea we're diving into today.
Just think about that for a second. Instead of a bunch of separate gadgets that don't always talk to each other, what if the intelligence, the control, and even the design were all baked right into the architecture? It's a huge shift in thinking, and it all starts by fixing a problem I bet you've seen before.
We've all seen it, right? You get excited about the smart home dream, and pretty soon your wall looks, well, chaotic. You've got your thermostat over here, a bunch of light switches there, a security panel, maybe a voice assistant hub. It just adds up, and it's a mess. So, the solution starts by taking all of that clutter and replacing it with this, a single, elegant command center. Now, this is way more than just a pretty upgrade. It's actually the first big step toward a truly integrated home.
Okay, so how does one single panel manage to do the job of all that other stuff? Let's take a look at the command center that's really at the heart of this entire system.
So here's a perfect example, the Orvibo MixPad 7 Ultra. You can think of a device like this as the brain of the whole operation. It's designed to be the super powerful tool, but also, a beautiful piece of home decor that instantly cleans up that wall and puts all the control in one place.
And what makes these things so powerful is just how much they can do. I mean, it's not just a screen. It acts like a universal translator for your home, speaking all the major smart home languages, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, you name it. That means this one hub can control your lights, your climate, your music, and it can even double as a really nice digital photo frame when you're not using it.
But look, a single panel is just the start. The real magic, well, that happens when it begins to command an entire ecosystem of connected devices all throughout the house.
And this ecosystem, it extends right to your front door. We're talking about smart locks with some seriously advanced features, like AI-powered fingerprint and even facial recognition. It's not just about making things easy, it's about bringing a whole new level of security to your home. And yeah, it's all managed from that one central hub.
It also completely transforms the vibe of your space. The ecosystem can include whole home background music systems, letting you create the perfect soundtrack for any moment and have it just flow seamlessly from one room to the next.
Now, this is where a truly integrated ecosystem just shines. Instead of fiddling with everything one by one, you create scenes. So it's just one tap for, say, movie night, the lights dim down, the curtains close, the TV turns on. The technology is actually adapting to your life, not making you adapt to it. And the crucial part here is flexibility. You've got total control. You can manage everything from an app on your phone when you're out, use your voice when you're cooking in the kitchen, or just walk up to that beautiful touchscreen on the wall. The control is right where you need it, when you need it.
Okay, so we've seen how a command center gets rid of the clutter and how it can run a whole ecosystem. But all of that is really just setting the stage for the real innovation. What if we stopped thinking about putting tech on the wall and started thinking about the wall itself as the technology? And this is the smart wall. It's a completely new way of looking at our homes. It's an architectural platform where all the wiring, all the connectivity, all the intelligence, it's all pre-engineered and built directly into the wall structure. The wall isn't just a wall anymore, it is the smart home system.
So how is this even possible? Well, the magic is in this pre-engineered modular frame. This system takes what would normally be an incredibly complex custom installation process and makes it simple. It makes the whole idea scalable, reliable, and way, way faster to install. And the end result is a space that looks like this. The technology, the TV, the speakers, the lights, even that fireplace, it's not just an add-on. It's completely integrated, all part of a single cohesive piece of architecture. This is what it looks like when you don't have to compromise between tech and design. And that right there is the key takeaway. This is not just about hiding some wires. It's a fundamental redesign of the wall itself. The structure is built from the ground up to be intelligent. It turns a passive surface into an active, integrated platform for your life. So, this is an amazing concept for sure. But why does it matter? What are the real-world, practical benefits of building intelligence directly into the walls of our homes? Well, the benefits are huge for everyone involved. If you're the homeowner, you get this stunning, seamless look, ridiculously simple control, and a home that's basically future-proof. And for the pros, the architects, designers, and builders, the value is just as clear. It cuts down on installation complexity, it seriously increases the project's value, and it becomes an incredible selling point.
Let's just drill down on that commercial value for a second. By making high-end tech a core feature, the value of the project just goes up instantly. Because it's a modular system, installation is faster and more predictable, which saves a ton of time and money. And since the wall is a complete system, it creates these natural opportunities to upsell integrated furniture, lighting, and appliances. It's a win-win.
There's a really powerful idea that sums this all up. Give your home a 10-year lead. This isn't just a small update, it's a massive leap forward. It's about building a home that isn't just smart for today, but is ready for whatever technology comes in the next decade.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought. We've put computers in our pockets, on our wrists, we've filled our homes with smart devices. But maybe, just maybe, the final frontier of smart technology isn't another device at all. Maybe it's the very architecture that surrounds us. Our homes are getting smarter. Isn't it time our walls did too?